And now, because area is again just multiplication and addition, the distributive property, which works with multiplication and division, which we learned in previous videos, also applies. For example, I have this 7 by 8 rectangle here, and I see that I have a 2 by 7 rectangle here and a 6 by 7 rectangle here, and if I add the two of those together, I make the total 8 by 7 rectangle. Again, we're just breaking smaller rectangles off of larger rectangles. So I could call this, oh, and I like how it's color-coded. I could call this 14 plus 42. I could also call it, like I already said, 7 by 2 plus 7 by 6. Now, I like that they use the parentheses in this answer, even though they technically don't have to, right? Those parentheses aren't actually bringing anything to the table other than maybe an added sense of clarity. Doing the multiplication first is already what we would do, but parentheses are free, and you should absolutely use them if you think there's any chance of ambiguity. So if I have 5 5s and 3 5s, I have 8 5s. Like, I hope that makes sense. I mean, I feel like we're back in kindergarten. If I have 5 blocks and 3 blocks, I have 8 blocks. If I have 5 sets of 5 and I add 3 more sets of 5, then I have 8 sets of 5, which gives us 40, not 49. Each square in the figure below has an area of 1 square unit, same as always. This looks like 6 by 5 and 6 by 2. Remember, the 7 is the thing being broken down into 2 plus 5. The 6 is being multiplied through. So it is 6 times 5 plus 6 times 2, which is the same thing as 5 times 6 times, or plus 2 times 6, right? Multiplication is commutative. There's that word again. Commutative means that you can multiply in either direction and you will get the same result. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 6 is 30. That's commutativity. Think of the word commute, like going back and forth from work. 9 by 4. If I have 6 4s and 3 4s, that makes 9 4s. This isn't necessarily how I would go about adding this area up, but if it helps even one student, then I'm glad I'm teaching it. Showing summary.